Well, hello and welcome everybody to the Tuesday Take. And this weekend, this Sunday in fact, 1 to 4:30 is the citywide open house. So that means spring is here. And being that it's spring, you know, last fall when we had the citywide open house, I clap teleported. And it worked great to get from point A to point B, but it was rather painful. So today I decided just to squish the properties closer together and walk, since it is so nice outside. So come with me and we're going to check out these 4 awesome properties that RE/MAX Lawn Realty will do on this Sunday from 1 to 4:30. Well, that was way easier than clap teleporting. Anyway, first house I will be at is 650 6th Street Southeast, and it's up by the Winter Show. And this house is totally move-in ready. 4 bedrooms, 2 bath, nice big attached 2-stall garage, and you gotta come see it. Anyway, well, let's go check out this next one. Ryan Matthias will be at this house at 1004 Riverview Drive. And this is a big house, great neighborhood. You gotta come check it out. He will be here from 1 to 2:30. Let's go look at this next one. Kim Hansen Hammond will be at this house located at 460 8th Avenue Northwest, and we are right across the street from Pioneer Park, and this home is all fully finished, move-in ready. On to the next. Well, and last but not least, I will be at this house from 3 to 4:30 on Sunday. And I am so happy I moved these properties so close together, because I would be very bummed if I walked all the way to Spiritwood and it was this foggy out here. Anyway, you gotta believe me, this is a fantastic, almost 18-acre farmstead sitting behind me. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom house, and it's just a great location in relation to Spiritwood. Very convenient. Anyway, come out this Sunday, 1 to 4:30. Thanks for coming, and remember, the grass is always greenest at RE/MAX Lawn Realty.